How to cancel an order on AliExpress before shipping. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open AliExpress on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Account at the bottom right. In here, click on My Orders at the top. After you've clicked on My Orders at the top, you'll find all your orders in here. Now simply click on one of your order you want to cancel. After you click on one of the order you want to cancel, scroll down and you'll find cancel order. Click on cancel order. After you've clicked on cancel order, you'll find list. Select the reason why you want to cancel the order. After you've selected one of the option from the list, your order will be canceled. And this is how to cancel an order on AliExpress before shipping. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.